Hello and welcome back. So today we are gonna do finder skippers, which is another challenge from the basic algorithm scripting from FreeCodeCamp. So basically we have two arguments. We have an array as the first argument and we have a function. Yes, this is a function. It's an ES6 function, and you can also express it like this. So like this. And well, you can also write an ES5 function. I'm just gonna put it back to how it was. Anyway, so we have to check if we apply this function to every element of this array. We have to take the first element that passes this function, so this condition has to yield true. For that, well, we already have num of 0, so now we are gonna, well, here using map is not that helpful because we have to stop at the first element that fulfills the condition of the function. So I would say that, so it's not helpful because it's not so easy to break out of a map. It will go through every element. So we are just gonna go for the for loop. So as a tip, use map if you want to change something for every element of an array. So we're gonna use for loop. We're gonna keep it old, classy, and let's say let I equals 0. I should be less than the length of the array, and we're gonna increment by 1 for every iteration. And if the condition of the function is true, so we call the function with the argument of the current element of the array, and if that element fulfills the condition, then we are going to say num is equal to the current element, and we're gonna return num as the solution, and otherwise we have to return undefined. So if we've already done the loop and returned something, then we don't have to add an if statement. We can just say return undefined. And now if we run it, it's done. There's a shorter way to this, which is with the find function. We search for an element of the array that fulfills the condition that we are looking for, which is basically the function. I am going to link more information about the find method in the description below, so make sure you check it out if you have interest. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe and comment. It helps a lot. Thank you and see you next time.